Hey folks, I have Huawei Band 8 in front of me, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the notifications. Now the first thing you need to do is to open the app, then go to Devices, tap on the band, now scroll down, tap on the notifications here, and here is where you set it up. So you can see they are enabled by default. You can disable them if you like. Also, you have an option here to enable mute notifications when using phone. So if you're using the phone, there is no really need for you to get notification on the band because you will see them on the phone. So you can turn this on if you like. And here you have a list of your apps. So you can choose from each apps you would like to get notifications. Now, if you enable one of your apps, for example, like here, WhatsApp to get notifications, and still you are not getting notifications, that means that you'll need to go to the settings and allow your phone to send the notifications to this app. So this process is going to look now this process is going to look slightly different on different phones, but still I'm going to show you what to do. So just go to the settings. Now this is Android here, so tap on app and notifications management, and here if I scroll down to the Huawei Health app, you can see it here, it's enabled. So this needs to be enabled for the phone to be able to send notifications to Huawei Health, and then this app will send the notifications to your Huawei Band 8. All right, so that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment box below. Again, thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Catch you in the next one.